Welcome to RV Heaven. Actually, this is Michael Moran from Outdoors RV, and we're actually in the showroom of Byerly RV in the St. Louis market, Eureka, Missouri. And I'm with Warren Patton, the president of Byerly. And we're talking about an RV that was designed for specific use, mainly ultimate touring, ultimate livability, ultimate comfort. And the RPS came about. We manufacture a toy hauler called the Trail Series. Yet 40% of our Trail Series buyers bought it for one reason. They wanted the deck, no toys. And most of those said, we want it for our dogs and our grandchildren. We said, you know, our toy hauler body, the Trail Series, is the strongest ever built. We could actually convert that and not use a standard Lexan type window doors in the back. We could do dual pane residential sliding glass doors so that the owner could leave the deck down at nighttime. I'm going to say that one more time. When you left your home this morning and you locked that sliding glass door, you didn't give it a second thought. Guess what? You now have ultimate livability in a travel unit. This is your true home on wheels. With the deck, like, boy, you look comfortable.
This is insanely comfortable. I mean, I think this is what RVing is about, right? I mean, this is, just hanging out outside.
Exactly. So the response has been overwhelming. We said, why do we make this to where, once again, people with small dogs are afraid of big dogs eating them. So, or little kids, you now have the deck that makes it totally functional. And you'll notice, we actually put the steps on the side. Some manufacturers put the steps on the back, which is the wrong place because it intrudes into other living areas. I can park this and within my living space, I've got ultimate access. So this way, mama's cooking, kids can run in and out, they can have fun. But the nice thing is you're off the dirt. And that's what a lot of ladies said. There's bugs out there, I want to be up and elevated. And try to take a deck away from someone that's had one. So if you permit me, we'd like to go inside and show you the versatility and coziness of the 26 RPS.
Yeah, let's go take a look, because the first thing I think that anyone's going to notice, and it's not going to show on camera, is how tall, how much living space do we have in this? This is pretty amazing.
Yes. So you're pushing almost 8 feet. So now what you've done is, we took, instead of having the Happy Jack system, and the issue is that that's so great, but the problem is it's not really livable. So we said, what if we designed a system where we could put opposing slide outs and give tremendous width, which is beautiful because now you're still in a shorter length, because this is only 31 feet overall. You still have tremendous living space. And by putting the slide outs in, it allowed us to do what we call the RV attic. If you'll pan and look at all these beautiful overhead cabinets, and yes, those are all Oregon, knotty alder hardwood. Now what you can do, if you're a crafter, you can put your bins and put your crafting materials up there, off-season clothing. You're circumnavigating North America like most people want to do. You now have off-season clothing. More versatility is what we're giving you. Once again, big, giant, oversized cabinets. Our famous farm sink with the ability to do your food prep on the underside, and then, once again, your strainer down below. You'll notice this is all LG solid surface. You would notice Corian. We do this, we don't do any laminates on our galleys. And the reason is because if water gets behind, what happens when particle board gets wet? It turns into a giant sponge. And all you guys do, go to YouTube, you'll see that. Non-existent with solid surface.
Nice.
If you look this direction, the mountain dinette is priceless. We stretched it from 6 feet to 7 feet. And that allowed us to add another full foot to the table. With marine pedestals, I've got a rock solid foundation. And with 24% of RV owners doing some kind of work in their RVs, this touring coach can take you from Key West to Bangor to Gig Harbor, Washington. If you've never been there, it's like heaven. In fact, Warren, if you don't mind, would you sit at the other side for me?
Absolutely, yeah.
He's not a small guy. And notice this, we're not knocking knees. Huh? This is huge. When we sit in now, Warren, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
When you sat down, Did your bottom go right to the bottom of the cushion? Or
No, this is absolutely comfortable but firm.
You're completely
seat.
supported.
Yes, absolutely. And you mentioned this before too, not just with the cushions, but how much space that I have here to be comfortable on here. Yep. So like when I need to work, which is all the time, I'm out here and I got my computer. I've got 3 screens out here working, and you still have space over here.
Yes.
Like this is amazing.
So the point is, it is a workstation lifestyle where you can actually mix and take a little bit of heaven with you. And of course, you've got giant dual pane windows. If you do happen to have a noisy neighbor, you close this up and you go, oh my goodness, the sound of silence. I think there's a song called it. Yeah. But the point is, we actually manufactured this table. And one thing I'd like to show you, part of that silence is that by virtue of this. Instead of sitting on a piece of cheap plywood, this is actually a diesel motorhome sidewall. When we built this wall together in one piece, that window was computer routed out, and that was a big giant piece of scrap. So instead of using a piece of particle board, now you've got something solid to sit on. But this is the reason when I close that door up, it's quiet as can be. And yes, there is storage behind. So that's, my wife loves cubby holes. So you get nice storage on both sides. These are things that you don't realize if you buy without realizing the features of what it's going to do for you. People want comfort and quiet. They want durability. And even like, for instance, I mean, this is how solid all this is reinforced. This is a residential dual pane sliding glass door. I'm moving it with one finger. If this was flimsily built with thin walls, that door could bind.
That's how you can tell it's all square too.
Yes, exactly. Good point.
I'm trying to think of a wall that you could cut open and build in the industry. You could cut the wall open and still have the ability to sit on it. No, it's amazing. It's a great living room. Tell us a little bit. So we still haven't even touched the fact that you have a great sized bathroom. You have a huge bedroom up front. Let's take a look up there real quick and just kind of see what we have.
So once again, in functionality, you've got your 3-burner cooktop here with an oven and a beautiful pots and pans drawer. And once again, hardwood, 100-pound rated door guides. We believe you overbuild it, you got a customer for life. And that's our whole purpose, is making it to where you're proud. We never want you to have buyer's remorse. We want you to say, my goodness, I bought something that's investment grade. We refuse to compromise. That's the Nash way. Refuse to compromise. Jack and Jill bath is wonderful. If you'll notice, look at how tall the ceiling is. We get these 6'6", 6'7" guys. They go, oh my goodness, I got room. I can actually work with this. And if you'll go this way, and once again, I have to show off the beautiful Heartland 3-layer memory foam mattress. So comfortable. My wife and I have had one now for 8 months, and I sleep like a baby. Now, this is a backcountry. You've got the freedom to go everywhere. You've got the built-in generator. It's got an LP generator built in. 3,600 watts, you can run everything. It's got 100 gallons of fresh water. It's got solar, it's got all that. But you're up in Yellowstone, and something brown and furry and making growling noises brushes up against the side of your coach. I call that insecurity, so we give you a security safe. Got my pistol, like James Bond, so I've got a security safe right next to my bed. Once again, if something big and brown and furry is next to you, we're going to give you that. And this is a full 80-inch deep queen with incredibly deep wardrobe cabinets. In fact, if I try to, I can barely even reach the front of it. That's how big it is. So we do that. We do storage underneath, and then we do his and hers drawers, which people really like. They're on the sides here. Each has their own his and her drawer, because you can compact bedding in here very easily, but now you've got extra access. Once again, everything is built to stay in place, rock solid. This is that reversible high-speed fan. This is a 10-speed fan. So you're laying in bed, you can bring the air in. These also have rain covers. You can drive down a highway and have your trailer smelling fresh as can be, because the rain covers protect any water coming in. Kind of cool. And of course, the slow rise blackout shades are just wonderful.
No, that's amazing, Michael. I'm still trying to think of what the tagline that James Bond would say after he shoots the bear. Probably something like "That's unbearable." It's difficult to tell, but again, this is an amazing coach. The 26 RPS from Outdoors RV. Come see it at Byerly RV. Visit us online at byerlyrv.com. You got to come see this in person. This is incredible when you see this lit up like this. Experience that patio. This is amazing.
And also because I've known the Patton family for 4 decades. I have to say they're a testament to the industry, and we're learning, all our outdoors RV owners, if you're crossing this blessed land, there's a place that can do service for you that has a first-class, tremendous service center. I just visited and looked at all the giant bays and all the parts and the way they work. And it's nice to know we've got the right kind of dealer to service our customers. So keep them in mind.
Thank you, Michael, for that. Please check us out, Byerly RV, St. Louis, Missouri, right on 44. And Mike, thank you again. And we will like this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.